హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎస్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. We'll start the session. నా పేరు రాజేష్ ఖన్నా. Basically, I'm a handwriting trainer, graphologist, and psychologist. Moreover, I'm a mentor for video making and also podcast. ఈ సెషన్లో ఈరోజు usually I'm using both Telugu and English also. So don't worry, some participants, they're joining from other states. So for them, I'm continuing in English, but most of the participants already they have sent requests. Those are in Zoom. They are asking me to continue use Telugu also. Don't worry, I will use both languages, bilingual. This workshop is complete. So you can understand whether it is English or Telugu, you can easily understand. Okay, now we'll start. So I don't want to wait for others to join. This is my first YouTube live stream workshop. Okay, I started another new channel. So I request all of you to encourage this channel, because in coming days, I'm going to start more free workshops on different topics, especially for this channel subscribers. So don't forget, please do subscribe this channel. And before going to that, we'll do one thing. Yes. So welcome to the workshop on podcast. What is podcast? This is an interesting thing. In India, many people, they don't know about podcast. But coming to the Western and European countries, podcast is a trending thing there. అంటే ఈ పోడ్కాస్ట్ అనేది యూరోపియన్ కంట్రీస్ లోను, ఈవెన్ వెస్ట్రన్ కంట్రీస్ లో కూడా చాలా ట్రెండింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. చాలా మందికి పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలియదు మన కంట్రీలో. అలాగే దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ కంట్రీ, పోడ్కాస్టింగ్. సి యు నో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అబౌట్ యూట్యూబ్. ఎస్, దట్ యూట్యూబ్ లో యూజువల్లీ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్. So if you are a YouTube creator, so you have to face the camera. You have to face the camera, and many things are required, like a small some knowledge on video editing. And అంటే యూట్యూబ్ అనేది మనందరికీ తెలిసిందే. యూట్యూబ్ క్రియేటర్ గా ఉండాలి అంటే మీరేం చేయాలి? కెమెరా ముందుకు రావాలి, మాట్లాడాలి, వీడియోస్ ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవాలి, అప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. కానీ చాలా మంది, many people, they don't like to face the camera. They have many reasons, because they don't like to face the camera, and moreover they don't know the technical knowledge also to run YouTube channel. But they wanted to share something with the world. Even they also wanted to earn money also, some of them. Yes, so for that we can do one thing. Now let me explain one after one. I'm going to show you. So see, my background is there, that you can easily understand what I'm showing and what I'm talking about. Okay, now just look at this, please. See this one. What is podcast? What is podcast? Podcast is just like a audio channel. YouTube is a video channel. YouTube is a video channel, but coming to this podcast, podcast is just like a audio channel, your audio channel. Even you no need to face the camera, you no need to edit anything. Even technical knowledge is also not required to start your own podcast. So you're going to understand what is podcast and other aspects also in this session. Yes, అయితే ఈ పోడ్కాస్ట్ అనేది ఏంటంటే యూట్యూబ్ అనేది వీడియోస్ తో లింకప్ అయి ఉంటుంది. పోడ్కాస్ట్ అనేది ఆడియోతో లింకప్, అంటే మన మాటలు, సో ఆడియో ఫైల్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద ఆడియో. అంటే సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే యూట్యూబ్ ఇస్ ఏ వీడియో ఛానల్ అండ్ పోడ్కాస్ట్ ఇస్ ఏ ఆడియో ఛానల్. సో పోడ్కాస్ట్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ ఆడియో ఛానల్ ఆన్ ఇంటర్నెట్. ఇంకా సింపుల్ వేలో చెప్పాలంటే ఇన్ సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ పోడ్కాస్ట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ your own radio on internet. There is a difference. Internet lo radio own, it's a own radio on internet. Ante me radio every time it is available on internet. Anytime, all over the world, in many countries, people can access your audio files. అంటే మీ ఆడియో ఫైల్స్ ని ప్రపంచం నుంచి ఏ మూల నుంచి అయినా సరే ఎవరైనా సరే వాళ్ళు యాక్సెస్ చేయగలరు. ఓకే, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ అందు గురించి నేను ఏమన్నానంటే ఇది ఒక రేడియో ఆన్ ఇంటర్నెట్. దిస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ రేడియో ఆన్ ఇంటర్నెట్. సో ఎనీబడి కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ఇట్. ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇయర్స్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ go back to your because people are continuously listening your podcast. I'll tell you many things in this session. Okay, see, from YouTube you are earning money. Yes, many people, many creators, they are earning money from YouTube videos. Just like that, even you also can earn money from your podcast. We'll discuss all these things in today's episode. Okay, in today's workshop we'll discuss many things. So at the end of the session you can understand what is podcast, how to access the podcast, and how to do podcast and all these things. So at the end I will tell you many things to start your own podcast. Then I will help you to start your own podcast. నేను ఈ సెషన్ లో మీరంతా వింటే ఈ సెషన్ లో నేను మీకు ఐ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. అసలు పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, దీని నుంచి ఒకవేళ మనీ ఉంటే మనీ ఏ విధంగా ఎర్న్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఈ సెషన్ లో తెలుసుకుందాం. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. సో లాస్ట్ టైం ఐ కండక్టెడ్ వర్క్షాప్ ఆన్ పోడ్కాస్ట్, completely 3 days workshop. I charged 600 rupees for that, but it's completely free of cost. This time I want to help people, those who wanted to help others. So నేను కొంతమందికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను to start their own podcast. These people will help others. Okay, I will discuss all these things. Now you see in this podcast అంటే ఇంకా సింపుల్ వే చెప్పాలి. అసలు ఈ టర్మ్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే, how this term, what is the origin of this term అంటే from iPod pod is there, POD pod, from broadcasting, you know the broadcasting, radio broadcasting, from broadcasting cast is there. So by combining these two words, that new term generated, that is podcast. You can understand many things about this podcast here. Now you see how to access podcast. We understood that నేను చెప్పాను పోడ్కాస్ట్ అనేది ఒక ఆడియో ఛానల్. అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఒక రేడియో లాంటి, మీ సొంత రేడియో ఆన్ ఇంటర్నెట్ లాంటి. అంటే వితౌట్ స్పెండింగ్ ఎనీ సింగిల్ రూపీ యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దామంటే అంటే ₹1 ఖర్చు లేకుండా మీ పోడ్కాస్ట్ మీరు ఓన్ గా స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. సో యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ ఓన్ పోడ్కాస్ట్ వితౌట్ ఎ సింగిల్ పాయ్. ఓకే, so hope all of you understood podcast ante it is like a audio channel, YouTube ante it is like a video channel. So you knew the difference between these two. Okay, great. We'll move to the next one. So okay, first of all we should know how to access podcast. Asalu podcast anedi ఏ విధంగా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాం. సో ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సో people, suppose you started your own channel, own podcast channel. You started your own podcast channel, but where they can find your podcast and how they can listen your podcast, and why you should start your own podcast, అండ్ మెనీ థింగ్స్ విల్ డిస్కస్ నా ఇవన్నీ చూద్దాం. అసలు మన పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ పోడ్కాస్ట్ ని ఎవరు యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు, ఎలా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ ఆర్ దేర్, సో డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నౌ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ యూట్యూబ్ live stream, see youtube lo you can find many things, avuna kada. So directly you can get videos from youtube and you can watch it. But where we can find this how to access this podcast, ee podcast and people everything access chestar. So if Telugu people are here, many of you in this zoom meeting and also as well as in uh, youtube stream, those are watching youtube streaming. So in Telugu, hero is there, Nagarjuna. He's a brand ambassador for Spotify. Okay, అలాగే there are few apps are there. Now we'll discuss about that one. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనుకున్నామంటే పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ తెలిసింది కదా. పోడ్కాస్ట్ అంటే మన ఆడియో ఛానల్, ఇంకా సింపుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో చెప్పాలంటే ఇది మన ఓన్ రేడియో ఆన్ ఇంటర్నెట్. యూట్యూబ్ కన్నా ఇది డిఫరెన్స్. అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఏంటంటే యు నో నీడ్ టు ఫేస్ ద కెమెరా to record any content, and you no need to what is that, you no need any cameras, you no need lighting, you no need any setting, you no need any technical knowledge. So technicals is not required to do all these things podcast cheyadaniki. But video editing cheyadaniki chaala kavali, video edit cheyali, call set cheyali, danni upload chesukovali youtube loki. But same content you can deliver if you are unable to deliver because of many reasons. Sir, I am unable to start my own video channel, sir, YouTube channel, because I have many things, many reasons. నాకు కెమెరా ముందుకు రావడం కుదరదు, నాకు టెక్నికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు, ఇలాంటిది అంటూ ఉంటారు. అయితే మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ ఓన్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎస్ వీడియో ఛానల్ బదులు మీ ఓన్ ఛానల్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, హాయ్ సార్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. హాయ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So if anything is there, please let me know. If you have any doubts regarding this in the chat box also, in the YouTube chat box also, you can type anything. Sir, I can't understand Telugu. Yeah, Neetaji, so don't worry, I am speaking in English. So sometimes I will discuss in Telugu. So, but you know, you cannot understand Telugu, but the same thing I'll explain in the English also. Don't worry. Okay. So again, I'm coming back to Neetaji is asking something. YouTube is a video channel. Podcast is a audio channel. Very simple. To run video channel, you need many skills. Face the camera and many things are required, and some technical knowledge is also required. But to start your audio channel like podcast, no technical knowledge is, nothing is required. Only if you have earphones and if you have your own mobile, that is enough. Your Android phone is enough. Ee rendu unte you can start. Okay, now we'll say somebody is asking, please don't worry, if you join middle, if any one of you, they're sending messages to me also. If you join in middle, then you can see this one from beginning also. You can say don't worry. Okay, we are in YouTube channel also, don't worry. Thank you, Neetaji. Now we'll discuss how to access this podcast. First of all, how to create it. Already some people created their podcast, but how can we access them? That is most important. Where we can find podcast, just like a YouTube. Yes, we can find podcast in easy way. There are number of apps are there. For example, you see this one, see this my background. So there are number of apps are there. Suppose even in your mobile also already you are having one of these, any one of these apps already, many of you are having, because people they like to listen music. To listen music, podcast apps are required, and Ghana, like many are there now. So all these are nothing but podcast channels or podcast apps. We podcast apps అంటే పోడ్కాస్ట్ యాప్స్ అంటే మనం గానా కానీ లేకపోతే స్పాటిఫై కానీ ఇలాంటి యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, పాటలు వింటూ ఉంటాం. సో వీఆర్ లిజనింగ్, ఎంజాయింగ్ మ్యూజిక్. టు ఎంజాయ్ మ్యూజిక్ వీ నీడ్ సమ్ యాప్స్. చాలా యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్, సో దీస్ యాప్స్ ఈ యాప్స్ ద్వారా త్రూ దీస్ యాప్స్ వీ కెన్ ఎంజాయ్ మ్యూజిక్, we can listen music and many things. So people in India, many of them are limited to this music only, but nowadays they are going beyond that, and the speech is also available. Many things are available, stories also available, and even if you are a English teacher, then you can start that spoken English channel. And if you are a professor, you can spread your knowledge. You can just like a YouTube channel, but this is very easy. So anywhere you can start your channel, you can start your recording, you can upload it. I'll tell you everything in easy way how to do all these things. And a simple way lo ఏ విధంగా అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు ఇవన్నీ కూడా నేను డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను ఈ సెషన్ లో. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే there are number of apps are there. Okay, let me adjust my screen once. Yes, there are many apps. For example, you see this one, Spotify is a one app. So if you go to the Spotify, then you can find, I think am I audible? Chandana ji, Neeta ji, please any one of you let me know, is this audible? Everything, picture and voice, yeah, let me know it in the chat box, message box. Thank you. Spotify is there. Spotify is the one app. You can access music. You can access a podcast of many people. Even celebrities' podcasts are available. So earlier, I thought that this suppose to listen something, any speech or any motivational speech or anything or any skill, anything, topics are endless topics are there. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, so endless topics are there. We can enjoy, we can listen that one. Okay, earlier I thought that only celebrities are only allowed to do all this podcast. Only celebrities మాత్రమే చేస్తారు అనుకునేవాడిని. Yes, and now thank you. So another see, Google Podcast. So many things are there. So with these apps, people can listen their podcast, can listen your podcast, can listen anyone's podcast, ఈ పాడ్కాస్ట్ వింటా ఉంటారు. ఏం చేస్తా ఉంటారంటే, సో జస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ పెట్టుకొని దాంట్లో నొక్కితే, సో రాజేష్ ఖన్నా పాడ్కాస్ట్, పీపుల్ కెన్ హియర్ మై పాడ్కాస్ట్, పీపుల్ కెన్ హియర్ అదర్ పాడ్కాస్ట్. ఎస్ చైతన్య, థ్యాంక్ యూ. చైతన్య మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎస్, ఓకే. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే పీపుల్ కెన్ ఎంజాయ్, కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్, so you can spread your knowledge, okay, through the podcast anywhere. This is very simple to watch, just to watch YouTube. So we have to open the window, we have to open the screen, and we have to watch it. Yes, but coming to the podcast, you can just select the topic and switch on it and close it. That's enough. You can hear. Thank you, Saladi sir. Thank you. So all of you are responding well. Thank you so much. So anywhere they can hear, even while walking, while traveling, or while doing any work at their free time. So people, it's a very convenient. So you observe in India, most of the people, and what YouTube watching rate is higher than the other countries. But coming to the American other countries, now people, their listening rate is higher than the YouTube. So they are every time they're listening podcast. Podcast is in Western countries and European countries. They're using it for their education also. So for their education especially. So for many things, we'll discuss all these things now. Okay. So we understood what is podcast. It is just like an audio channel. So YouTube is a video channel. Now coming to this, how to access podcast. And to access podcast, there are many apps are there. So through that apps, many apps are there. I'll give you list also. Okay, through these apps, people can listen, people can understand. Okay, people can enjoy. So that is about podcast. And access, మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. సో ఏ విధంగా యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి ఇవన్నీ తెలుసుకున్నా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, జస్ట్ Now you see my screen now. So now purpose of podcast. Suppose what is the purpose of podcast? Just like a YouTube, it is also even podcast is also a interesting thing. So to gain knowledge. So suppose I want to understand something, so I can go to the any app and there I can search life skills or I can search anything. Yes, sir. They listen to audio books. Yes, Netaji. Not only audio books, anything, even your speech also people can hear. So thank you for responding. See, especially for entertainment, you can share jokes with others, and through your podcast, you can share your own jokes. So let people enjoy your this thing and share your ideas. You can share your cooking idea, you can share your writing idea, you can share anything. You can share your knowledge with others. And you see, news. You can start a news channel, audio news channel also. So people, if really interested in your content, so they'll subscribe it and continuously they will watch your podcast. If people are many people they are watching your podcast, listening your podcast, automatically you will generate money also. That facility is also going to be available in our country. Okay, I'll discuss about this, and you can let people know your views on different topics and different issues, and you can do reviews also. You can do if you are watching a movie, so you can discuss about that movie. You can discuss anything. First, let me take one. Adjust my screen first. Just a minute. Yes, I got it now. Yes. So you reviews. You are reading. You read a one nice book. So you talk about the book and just I'll tell you how to do all these things. मेरे ये sir and yes. uh, just you can talk about a book. You can read a book also. So now I'm reading particular book. So people also can. You're helping others also to understand. Okay, you're spreading your knowledge moreover. And I see interviews. Not only you, suppose you can call some guest or over phone and you record the content. Suppose I'm a psychologist also. Yes, or otherwise I can call other any other doctor, and I will ask doctor to talk about particular subject or particular disease or particular anything. So I will record that conversation, and this conversation I can upload into the internet as an audio file so that people can hear this conversation. So people think that, oh, Rajesh Khanna is every time inviting people and taking interviews, and he is interacting with the great personalities and also interesting things he is contributing. So people may think, sir, how can we generate money by podcasting a podcast? Yeah, sure, Netaji. I will discuss that point after a few slides. Don't worry. So we'll discuss all these things. Okay. So and next interviews, you can give alerts also regarding that atmosphere, anything. And to become a popular, if you want to become popular, then you can start your own podcast and find out your best at which subject, and you can start your own podcast. Somebody is saying that how to create a radio channel in the internet. Yes, Joy, Mr. Joy, we are talking about this only. Please watch till the end so that you can understand. Okay. And now, see this one here for your satisfaction. One person called me, sir, I am a retired person, but I wanted to share my knowledge with others. I'm a professor. I wanted to share. I'm an advocate. No, I'm a retired advocate. So I wanted to share my knowledge with others. You can start. That the people really you're helping people you by enlightening them in a particular area of knowledge. So there are different branches of knowledge. You can take any one of them and spread your knowledge every nook and corner. Okay, through your podcast. You can share jokes also. And moreover, you can narrate stories. People love, nowadays, people love to hear the stories, audio stories, instead of reading and watching. Now somebody is asking how to create radio. Okay, yeah. This is a radio channel, means it's nothing but podcast. We'll discuss, don't worry. Last time I conducted 3 days workshop. So this is like a day one workshop. So okay, but and you will get that complete idea about this workshop and podcast. And I definitely I will help you to start your own podcast. Don't worry. Okay, so you can share jokes, stories, and kids are there. Nowadays, people, even small kids in everyone's family, what they are doing, the kids are usually what they are doing. They are habituated to the screen, but we can divert them just to open one nice podcast. ఒక మంచి podcast open చేసి stories and podcast. ఆ podcast లో స్టోరీస్ వినిపిస్తూ ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, మీ అమ్మాయి హాయిగా పాటలు వింటూ పడుకుంటుంది. సో తను యూట్యూబ్ లో చూడాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. As people in chinnapil, I'm talking about very small kids. So bedtime they can listen wonderful nice stories, bedtime stories. And moreover, I'm telling you, podcast now just started. It is at a beginning stage in India. This is the right time to start your own podcast. After certain months or after 1 or 2 years, what will happen? You will have a wonderful podcast, and people love already. So meanwhile, you will have a subscriber also for your podcast. So people will listen your podcast. So adenda chudam. Okay. Now see here, we discuss. You can guide the people through your podcast. You can guide the people in political criticism also. You can do it. You can conduct discussions also, just like a TV channel. This is a completely like an audio and a subject experts. If you are a subject expert in a particular subject, you can spread that knowledge. If you are a business person, you can increase your business by talking about your products and by talking about your services and all. So in this way, you can utilize this podcast for your purpose, and you can help others. You can guide the people. So especially during this corona time, pandemic situation, people need many things, so we can guide them. And spiritual aspects, many people they wanted to listen spiritual things, and they and one more thing, they wanted to listen, and they wanted to say also. I suppose one elderly person is there, he wanted to say something, the spiritual things. So he can start his own podcast and he can spread that one. Okay. So in this way, you can, or your podcast will reach to the millions of people. Your audio files will reach to the millions of people. Even I started my own podcast, that is Our Radio Talks by Rajesh Khanna. This is all over, even in Russia also people are listening, enjoying my podcast. So okay, now ఇంకా ఏమైనా చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. స్పిరిచువల్ చూడొచ్చు, ఇంకా earn money finally. So some of you also asked about this point. So we can earn money also, chances are there, and I'll tell you when we can earn money and how we can earn money from our podcast. Now you see, this is a who can do podcast. That is a very interesting thing. Who can do podcast? Your podcast is. So earlier last year, when I was in self-isolation, I thought that because my son asked me to listen someone's podcast, on celebrity podcast. That was very interesting. Even cine directors podcast also available. Puri Jagannath. I love the Puri Jagannath's podcast. A podcast window unte, I thought that Puri Jagannath, some accent wife from America, from other countries, from India. So only celebrities only can do this one. This is not our area. Just we are only that listeners. We can listen only, but we are not performers. We cannot create that podcast. I was in such a thinking. అలాంటి థింకింగ్ లో ఉండేటప్పుడు నాకేమైందంటే, సార్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ప్లీజ్ స్టార్ట్ and how to start and how to make it more popular. Yeah, sure, differently, but please wait for some time, because others also there, even in Zoom meeting also. So they need more guidelines also regarding this. So we need to understand many things. So our time law, I thought that why don't I start my own podcast? Not only Puri Jagannath, not only some Steve Jobs, not only some accent vibe. Why don't I started. Then one day I got an opportunity to attend one workshop, but they asked me to pay 1,000 rupees to attend the workshop. But first starting workshop, it was like a awareness program, and later he asked me to join another advanced course, and for that 4,000 rupees. And he said that many softwares are required and many things are required, equipment చాలా కావాలని చెప్పాడు. దానికి ఒక మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఛార్జ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాడు. సో హౌ టు ఎడిట్ యువర్ ఫైల్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ చెప్పాను అన్నాడు. Then I thought I don't want to spend that much huge money of 4,000, 5,000 on that. Then I left it. I started my own research and finally I got it and I started my own podcast. నేను నా ఓన్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. ఫైనల్ గా నాకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడల్లా నేను నా ఓన్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ నేను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, ఆడియో ఫైల్స్ చిన్న చిన్నవి. సో ఓకే, somebody saying request please start on how to start. Yeah, sure. ఓకే, సో ఇదంతా ఏంటంటే అప్పుడు అనిపించింది Puri Jagannath is a celebrity. Beside Puri Jagannath's podcast, my podcast is also there. So not only his podcast, my podcast is also even from very popular podcast. Even some people, they started their own companies also. They are publishing some websites are there. They are publishing their podcasts and they are earning money also. Okay, we'll discuss other things also. And see, even after that, even I thought that only celebrities, only singers, only that leaders, only they only can start, but common people cannot start. I was in such a thinking, but later I realized that anybody can start it. Once I knew the technique, then I started. I conducted workshops also. I earned money also, but for one workshop I charged 600 rupees. Okay, now, but I decided I wanted to do this podcast completely free of cost. I want to help others because they are experts. If you are a psychologist, so people need your service. If you are a doctor, people need your service. If you are a professor, people need your service and advice, many things. So that once you start your own podcast, two things. One is you are helping others, and finally, money also will follow. Okay, so ఒకసారి మీరు పోడ్కాస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఎదుటి వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు మీ నాలెడ్జ్ తోటి. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఎ సైకాలజిస్ట్, యూ కెన్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ద డిప్రెషన్, హెల్ప్ పీపుల్ టు కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద డిప్రెషన్. అండ్ టూ థింగ్స్, యు ఆర్ హెల్పింగ్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ బికమింగ్ పాపులర్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ ఎనీ కౌన్సిలింగ్ సెషన్స్, దే విల్ అప్రోచ్. సో హియర్ టూ థింగ్స్. ఒకటి, యు ఆర్ బికమింగ్ పాపులర్. అనదర్ థింగ్, యు ఆర్ హెల్పింగ్ అదర్స్. థర్డ్ థింగ్, యువర్ బిజినెస్ ఆల్సో విల్ గ్రో. సో ఈ విధంగా you can earn money also and you can develop your profession also. Okay, so ipudu chudam. So I also started my own podcast. This is the cover page of my own podcast. I will tell you in the next session, I will tell you how to start your podcast. This is about podcast. Many people ask me, sir, asalu podcast ante enti sir, meer kotta term cheptunnaru. It seems to be like a new term. Or what is podcast asle ante enti అని అడుగుతుంది. So that's why first I wanted to create awareness on podcast. And some people, they can search in internet anyhow, but other people, most of the people, they don't know about the podcast. So kabatti ఏంటంటే in my first session I am creating awareness completely about the podcast. ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చి ఉంటుంది మీ అందరు. So you got some idea about the podcast now. So I also started my own podcast. How to create cover for your podcast with free of cost. How to start your podcast with free of cost, and you don't need to purchase any equipment. You don't need to do anything. Simply with your smartphone, you can make your own podcast. Okay, now we'll see. Next thing, what is there? So I wanted to share another thing. In my last, people think that to start the podcast, so much equipment is needed, but no need. Any equipment is not required. Let me come back to the slide. See, this is my own podcast cover page. Okay, I'll tell you. So in last time my workshop, some participants were there. They already started their own podcast. For example, since one student, so one high school girl, her podcast, she started her podcast. So whenever, see, there is an advantage. If you are a student, students also can start and share your knowledge. So other people can understand. One thing, you can develop the communicative skills and you can develop. This girl is a really wonderful girl. She started her own podcast in a different way. So her voice, everything, చాలా చక్కగా చెప్తా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అంటే ఆ పిల్లలకి పాడ్కాస్ట్ వల్ల ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్నెట్ ని దే కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ ప్రాపర్ వే. They can use it in a proper way. Okay, so now you see another thing. This is another book. How how we'll get happiness? This is by another participant started their own podcast. Okay, I wanted to show you another. This is another one. So all episodes are self-help, and new horizons. Unleash your potential. This is another wonderful podcast of my student in the sense last participant in last workshop participant. They already started their own podcast. Now I wanted to tell you. See, this is another one. This is another podcast of our participants. So many of them are there, but here, what it only one or two only I'm showing you their cover page and all. See, Adi Quraish is releasing another one. So like this. Now, some participants also asking me, sir, how to earn money from podcast? This is a very interesting subject. So spreading knowledge, helping others is a wonderful thing. At the same time, we also need money. So we also should earn money. Okay. And now just like a YouTube, you can monetize YouTube channel. Okay. Based on the guidelines and all. తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే you can earn money from your monetized videos. In the same way, ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నాం. Does podcast make money? Yes. What I'm saying, that is all. Does this podcast make money? Yes. 100%. You can make money from your podcast. But I have few friends in America and other countries, so they are earning money from their podcast. But here, see, in India, still it is at a beginning stage. It is like a baby, so growing. But coming to the Western countries, already the podcast became a trending one, so trending subject there. So that's what they like to hear podcast. Many people they're following. So podcasts are day by day. In fact, this podcast day by day they're growing there in Western countries. అంటే వేరే పాశ్చాత్య దేశాల్లో తీసుకుంటే ఈ పోడ్కాస్ట్ అనేది బాగా ఎక్కువగా ట్రెండింగ్ ఉంది. అంటే చాలా విపరీతంగా యూట్యూబ్ తో ఈక్వల్ గా పోటీ పడుతుంది. బట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ద యూట్యూబ్ at number 1 place and podcast still it is at growing stage. But what I am saying you, when you enter at this stage, at growing stage, after certain time you will get the money. And in India present podcast the monetization process is not available. Inka India available. But as of now the information of what I got it is within months in India also man podcasts and small podcasts, they also monetize their audio files and they will earn money. But Spotify and big companies are like Aditya and music companies, they are monetizing. The monetization facility is available for big companies now in India, but coming to the common people, still it is not available. But don't worry, within few months this will be done in India also. But in America, and one more thing, if you have American bank account, then you are eligible for monetization. But we don't have American bank accounts, isn't it? We have only our Indian bank accounts. We are not NRIs also. So that's why in India we have to wait. Meanwhile, you can build up your episodes so that so much time is there, and this is at starting stage, and easily you can gain money also. So after few months in India also, they're going to monetize for all podcasts, not only for big companies. And Aditya Island music companies are అలాంటివి కాకుండా small podcast also will get it, and we will get sponsors also. And once you are, I want to tell you, in North India, Biju, one person is a very nice person. He left his job and he started his own podcast. He's earning money, but it seems to be like a big company and associated with foreign collaboration is also there. But we are common. I wanted to stories చెప్తాను. I want to narrate stories, or I want to talk on different topics. I want to podcast them. Okay, so these podcasts, when people are listening, but one thing, people around the world can hear your podcast. You did a one podcast, and for example, if you're a psychologist, you did a podcast, or if you're a teacher, you did a podcast on particular subject, and people all over the world can hear your podcast. వాళ్ళు మీ పోడ్కాస్ట్ వినొచ్చు. అట్ దట్ సేమ్ టైం దే కెన్ ఎక్కువ మంది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే దెన్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ద వెరీ నైస్ బేస్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ లాంటి వాళ్ళు పెరుగుతా ఉంటారు. ఎంత ఎక్కువ మంది మీ పోడ్కాస్ట్ వింటే సో అంత ఎక్కువ అమౌంట్ యూ కెన్ ఎర్న్. బట్ ప్రజెంట్ right as of now this facility is not available. I don't know, maybe it come tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next month or within few months the monetization for podcast will be available. The reason is in India the awareness is very less on podcast lo awareness chala takkuga undi. That's why because if I want to put my ad on podcast, people, it should reach to the people, so many people should access it. Otherwise what is the use of it? Enduku access cheyadante, they don't have awareness. Nowadays slowly the awareness is also growing. So this is the right time. So once you start your own podcast, emotundante after few months automatically you will get your own podcast. Okay, I told you how to start and all these things, don't worry, and another episode is there. Now you see how to do podcast on your own. So we'll come to a few things. How to start and podcast start cheyadaniki ఏ things కావాలి మనకి, and what are the things are required to start the podcast. Okay, to start the podcast, first of all you should decide on which topic or on different. Suppose coming to you take my, suppose in my case I wanted to share different topics. I want to share my knowledge on different topics. I am touching graphology, sometimes I am touching personality development, sometimes I am touching stress related things, sometimes I am touching psychology related things, sometimes I am touching students related issues, things. And I wanted to make podcasts. I already made it. I wanted to make many podcasts on that, and I wanted to make different, so different topics. But if you are an expert in a particular subject, you can start. That is the best idea, and you can start your own podcast on particular subject. Even if you are a science teacher, you can start your own podcast on science. Okay, sir, can we talk on different subjects, or we need to stick onto the one subject? No, you can talk on different subjects. So then only you can attract people. Okay, suppose if you are a music expert, you can talk about music. So people automatically, those are having that interest in music, they'll be attracted to your podcast. But you wanted to attract different segment of people, then you can talk about different topics. So there is no limit, there is no particular limitation for topics or for anything. So you can talk on different topics, and you can just send them. Sir, are you earning from podcast? Sir, I told you already, in India that monetization facility till it is not available. I am not saying that it is not there, it is not available, but they are planning to start that monetization process in India within months. I'm talking about this within months. Trinath garu is asking, సార్ మీరు పోడ్కాస్ట్ నుంచి ఏమైనా ఎర్న్ చేస్తున్నారా, మీ పోడ్కాస్ట్ నుంచి అని నన్ను అడుగుతున్నారు. నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎర్నింగ్ మనీ బికాస్ దట్ ఫెసిలిటీ టిల్ నాట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ బికాస్ lack of awareness. There is no particular awareness. It's not a trending in India. But coming to, if you are in India, if you are in America, so if you find out the Americans are earning money from the podcast. Those are having the very nice podcast, they are earning money. Because many people through driving time, cooking time, sleeping time, anytime they are listening. Okay, sir. Neetaji, thank you. So they are earning money. Other countries, even European countries, Germany, Japan, other countries, they are earning. Coming to India, still they are planning. Don't worry. Maybe next week also we may get the news, the monetization news for this. But already it is there for only big companies, like very big music companies, but not available for small podcasts like our personal podcast. Yes, don't worry. But what I'm saying, once it started monetization, the many people will enter into this. So at that time, you see, you will be somewhere. But what I'm saying, you start your own podcast now itself. Whenever you're free, you start your podcast and upload it. Once you will have that wonderful files, audio files, whatever, you will have the wonderful great base. So whenever the monetization facility is there, what will happen? You can start now. So for you, it is a cakewalk. But for others, those who enter new by saying monetization is now available. Now I want to start podcast, not only the YouTube channel. And in Chalamandi, many people they may enter into this. But people they are not entering into this podcast because still monetization process is lagging. But definitely they are going to do this one. Don't you see? Your voice is your strength. With your voice, you can earn money, no doubt at all. So that's why please start. Not to start podcast, you do one thing. This 1 hour workshop is not sufficient to start podcast. To start your own podcast, because I am helping you to start your own podcast, just like me. I think now listen. First of all, you should decide. And coming to this, maybe I will start on day after tomorrow only for my subscribers, not for others. This time I made it open for all. But next time, how to start this podcast, maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will let you know. So this is another workshop. In that workshop, I will let you know how to start your own podcast. After the workshop, you can publish your podcast on internet. That I will help you. But meanwhile, you do one thing. See, you take a pen and paper and you note down this one. See, what is your area of interest? Or Nitaji asked, sir, I want to talk on different topic. Yes, no problem. If you have particular subject, then you make a content on it. Or if you are if you want to do different alag things, then you can note down, no problem. So you have maintained a particular record for your podcast. So I wanted to talk on this and make a content, get ready with that and prepare. Don't worry, it's an audio because you are not facing camera. మీరు కెమెరాని చూడలేదు కాబట్టి మీరు ఆడియో ఫైల్స్ రికార్డ్ చేసిన తర్వాత కావాలనుకుంటే దాన్ని కట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కావాలంటే రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వన్స్ అప్లోడెడ్ యూ కెన్ డిలీట్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో, ఏదైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఎనీథింగ్ కెన్ బి డన్. సో దట్స్ వై డోంట్ వరీ. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ డిసైడ్, ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ ప్లాన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ పోడ్కాస్ట్. నాకు లాస్ట్ టైం నీకు చెప్పాను ఏంటంటే, సో మనకి ఇచ్చే టైం ప్రకారం ఓన్లీ 15 minutes టైం ఇస్ దేర్. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ నౌ. Actually, some people in professional way they are doing podcast. To do podcast, so much equipment is needed. If you see that separate softwares, mics, plugins, and many things are required, amplifiers, but all these are not required. The only one thing is just say your phone is a powerful tool. So even in my video making workshops, I am saying the same thing. Your phone is a wonderful tool. It's a powerful tool. You can I am conducting video making workshops also. So everything you can do it with your phone. And the phone ద్వారానే మీరు అని చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. Now you can do podcast with your phone and microphone. Even microphone is not there also, don't worry. Already inbuilt microphone is already there. So with that you can make your own content. So just మీరు తీసుకుంటారు, తీసుకుని ఏం చేస్తారంటే రికార్డ్ చేస్తారు. రికార్డ్ చేసి వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ రికార్డ్ చేస్తారు. రికార్డ్ చేసి దెన్ అప్లోడ్ ఇట్. సో అప్లోడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ నీడ్స్ మెనీ థింగ్స్. అంటే టెక్నికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఇఫ్ యూ నో హౌ టు ఆపరేట్ యువర్ ఫోన్ విత్ యువర్ ఫింగర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. సో విత్ యువర్ ఫింగర్స్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఆపరేట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, అండ్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఎడిటింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్ in a simple way. So you can talk on particular subject. You can add a wonderful music with free of cost. Also, this episode you can upload it into the internet. So that again you can access it. Other people also can access it anytime. Okay. And last time, to be frank, last time I conducted 3. See, this is the 10th, 11th, 12th November 2020. Last year, I charged for 600 rupees, but I'm not charging for this time. I want to do it with free of cost once, because to promote my channel, I want to do these free workshops. Not only this, I'm going to do different workshops on different topics, especially on psychology and other related technology related things also. So I'm going to do that workshops, but when it is possible, next time my workshops only for my subscribers. It's not fun. So my subscribers only will know when I'm going to start that my next workshops, and they will know. So that's why my request is, please like this, like my channel, and like and subscribe also, so that what will happen, you will know, or even that click on that bell icon, so that you will get the notifications and different topic workshops. So that, but this time I wanted to do this one with free of cost. I want to do it with free of cost. Okay. Once I wanted to recap this one, everything, then we'll start. See this one. See, there are different ones. So here, different podcast. This one, podcast apps are there. Through these apps, many apps are there, not only one. Okay. Once I will do the review, and after that I will conclude the session. And remember, another session is there. In that session, you get ready with your phone, and with your phone immediately you can, I'll show you the way how to do all these things. You will do it and you will upload it, so I'll help you. But wait for my next workshop, 1 hour, because I told you 1 hour workshop is not sufficient to do two things: understanding about podcast and start podcast అర్థం చేసుకోవడం, ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా మీరు మీ అంతటా మీరు ఒక పోడ్కాస్ట్ తయారు చేయడం అనేది కొంచెం కుదరదు. కాబట్టి ఈ వర్క్ షాప్ లో నేను ఏం చేశానంటే, నా నెక్స్ట్ వర్క్ షాప్ లో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ గెట్ రెడీ విత్ ద ఫోన్. అండ్ నేను చెప్తా ఉంటాను, గెట్ రెడీ విత్ గుడ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్. దెన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ, ఐ విల్ గైడ్ యూ step by step, and then you can start your own podcast. This is a gift for you. I'm going to do once I'll do recap in this session. Somebody asking me in this session, we discussed about what is podcast. Podcast, and it's just like a audio channel. YouTube is a video channel. Okay. And next, here, how to access podcast అనేది ఏ విధంగా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాం అంటే, there are many apps are there. Through that apps we can, many apps are there, Breaker, Spotify, Google Podcast, many are there, number of apps. But at a time you can send your file to all apps, so your podcast at a time it will be distributed to all. So after my workshop, next workshop, definitely you will do this one. And now see that Spotify is there. This is a free workshop, I'm telling you again. Next workshop is a free workshop. I told you because 1 hour time is not sufficient. Only 10 minutes time is there. Okay. Now Google Podcast, and people can enjoy the podcast, because YouTube and Kondi, every time they will open the screen and watch the video. But coming to this podcast, simply they can just open it, and while walking, while traveling, while doing any work, any time, sleeping time, bedtime, anytime they can watch it. Okay. And not only that, you see, we discussed about purpose of podcast. As a podcast, to spread the knowledge, to spread the fun and flow, many things. Ivani మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. And next, after that, thank you Nitashi. Next, who can do podcast? And anyone can do podcast. I can do podcast. I already did it. You also can do your own podcast. I am helping you to do your own podcast in my next workshop. Don't forget it. And next, already I have my own podcast. I will share it in the group, and even the links are in the here in the chat box, or in this description of this video. I will mention it. Okay. See, some of my last participants also already they have done their own podcast. See, they have done it, and we discussed about. I talked about this, and next we discussed how can monetize our podcast. So yes, we can monetize our podcast. We can earn money, but that facility, as of now, it's not available. Western countries it is available, but it is going to available within months. Within months, we are going to get that one. And next, we discussed about how to start. To start, the only thing is you need a interest, and you should have some content and some creativity. Creativity is also not required. Only the content, how beautifully you can deliver your content, that is needed. Even to start podcast, this much equipment is not required. But of course, it is required only for people those who wanted to start their podcast in a professional way. In a professional way, but you can do everything with your microphone and your smartphone. Just with your smartphone, you can start your own podcast. Just just a minute. Let me adjust this one. That okay. So this is one thing, and actually, I'm charging for my workshops, but this time this is totally free. So this is about this 1 hour workshop. Almost all 5 minutes are there. So within that time, we are concluding this workshop. So all of you are having wondered, sir, this workshop is okay, but how can we start my podcast? And you may ask me. I told you already, we'll have another workshop. This workshop only for my subscriber of this channel. So please do subscribe this channel and Rajesh Sabba Online. Sir, is podcast best only on Spotify or any other? Many apps are there, man. So some people they like Spotify. Some people they like Breaker. Some people they like many are there. Not only thing. Okay, Apple Podcast is also there. So many podcast apps are there. Not only this, truly madly, I think truly saying that not only Spotify, many apps are there. Many other apps also there. Okay, that apps people can hear. If you send your link, they can open it and they can listen in the browser, even though without app. But many people nowadays they're having that app. So people also they're giving with celebrities giving advertisements. For example, Spotify is there. Cine hero Nagarjuna is the brand ambassador for the Spotify. Yes, we have seen many ads on the TV and internet. So like that, nowadays because why this podcast is at beginning stage in India. That is a problem, but no problem. It is growing. Once the monetization started, once the monetization process is available, many people will enter into this. All YouTube creators definitely will enter into this because their YouTube they are earning money. That's why they are not coming to the podcast. Once they started the podcast monetization process started, people will enter into this, no doubt. At that time, more competition will be there. Now there is no competition. That's why you start your own podcast. I'll help you in my next workshop. I will let you know. And my phone number, just I wanted to. My phone number is already there, 9030160006. In chat box, you can find. So I will let you know my Facebook page, Rajesh Khanna, Rajesh, handwriting.rajesh, Facebook page. And also this YouTube channel is there, Rajesh Sabba Online. See, Rajesh Sabba Online. Because so I want to do many workshops and I will invite guests also. So that definitely, especially my coming workshops would useful for students, means your kids, even for you and others also. So hope all of you enjoyed this session. And I'm planning maybe on Sunday, or I will let you know. Don't worry, I will let you know. Even in this in this channel also, I will let you know. I'll give in message also. There are in the description of this video also. I will let you know. So don't forget. Please be in touch with me, in touch with this channel, so that you will get the notifications and you will know my coming workshops. So thank you for your wonderful time. Those are in this Zoom workshop, and those are connected to the YouTube streamline workshops. So streamline. So thank you one and all for this wonderful opportunity. It's also a great opportunity for me to interact with you, and it also gives immense pleasure because many people they don't know about the podcast. I'm helping them to create awareness on podcast, and also I'm helping them to start their own podcast. Get ready in next workshop. You will be ready with your own podcast. Meanwhile, select one title for your podcast and title and one content. Get ready. Thank you all. Thank you. If anything is there, just ask me. I'm going to close the session within 2 minutes. Any doubts or anything is there, please? Yes. Anything?